So goddamn guy, makikinig naman tayo ngayon ng Joey Valence and Bray. Ang title nito ay Pack a Punch featuring Danny Brown. Ito ay special request, matagal ng request ng ating kapatid na si 4D, ang anak ni Henry, in the place to be. Okay, shoutout sa buong E-family. At ito ay break muna sa mga distrakan. Okay, after nito, makikinig ulit tayo ng distrakan. Ito ay konting relaxation muna. Makikinig tayo ng old school style. Ito yung mga sound trip nila 4D and friends at gusto nilang i-share sa atin dito sa Goddamn House. Pakinggan natin ito. Joey Valence and Bray, Pack a Punch featuring Danny Brown. New album ito, man. Let's go! Mukhang boom bap ito, man. Old school boom bap na pang battle rap yung dating, bro. God damn. Say it again, you get punched. Bro, mukhang uulan ng punchlines dito. God damn it.
Punch, back to the source. Walking on the sky, I was born with the force. Don't care about the money or the power of your horses. Fly with my Civic, don't care about the Porsches.
God damn, bro. Pati yung mixing ng vocals ay parang 80s na rap. Katulad ng mixing ng Beastie Boys, bro. Naalala ko talaga yung mga boom bap dati. God damn it. Sabi niya, I'm fine with my Civic, don't care about Porsches. Wala sa paki sa mga sports car, bro. Praktikalan lang daw tayo, bro. God damn it. Honda Civic lang. At the same time, man, kaya pa rin niya mag-dominate sa eksena, bro. God damn it.
Whoa! Pop out the cup, we shoot at Rambo. Don't need your deal, I'm eating Nando's. No, I won't be blunt. JVP, do whatever we want. Drop to midnight or get KO.
J&V, do whatever we want. Gagawin namin kung anong gusto namin gawin. God damn. J&V's on fire.
You a small fry, you look like Toad. I spit fire, I'm more like Bowser. I got you scared, don't piss your trousers. Ready up with the strings in a bow. Whip so low, keep the underglow. Speakers thumping, beats bumping. Talk to my fist if you wanna say something.
Damn, bro. Ayaw nila ng usap-usap. If you wanna say something, talk to my fist. God damn! J&V. Bro, mukhang may nagpagalit din dito sa J&V, Joey Valence and Bray. Sino kaya ang kalaban nila doon sa kanilang area, sa ibang bansa? God damn it! Baka pwede mong ikwento sa akin 4D. PM man lang ako, okay? God. Uncle Guys is just playing. Let's go!
Don't you know that I pack a punch? Don't you know that I pack a punch? Don't you know that I pack a punch? Don't you know that I pack a punch?
Can I get a what? What? Get cut! Don't do it for the money, I do it for the butt. You cannot compete, you trying to keep up. Your name's not Olivia, you don't got the...
Ito mahirap sa mga ganitong rapper. Mahirap na kalaban to. Kasi hindi sila after sa pera. Okay, may kita, pero hindi talaga sila doon nagpo-focus, bro. God damn, yun ang pagkakaiba ng Dunggalo sa Pilipinas na settings. Kasi sa ibang rapper na umaasa lang sa rap, doon sila nabubuhay. Kaya pati integridad, isinasakripisyo. God damn it. Yun nga ang sabi ni Kuya Andrew sa amin, bro. Okay lang na kumita, basta wag ka lang kakain ng tae. Kung may paninindigan ka, panindigan mo, me. Kung may mali, punahin at iwaksi, bro. God damn.
That's what your mama said last night. Blowing up like a bad pipe.
That's what your mama said last night. No!
Born with so much sauce. I think I was a fucking Stromboli in my past life. I'm going in, I better set the door. Swinging the mic like clubs at Top Golf. You pants fuck, your feet are stuck. You cannot move, you got no groove. What is you to do? But to accept your fate, I'ma dice you up and serve you on the plate. Go to Hell's Kitchen, whipping up the chicken. Eat you alive, that's the mission.
God damn. Oh, ito na, Danny Brown na. Ito yung kanilang feature, bro.
Jump up, meet the rap on my head. Have your face fucked up like a 2K skin. Feeling like like an old Xbox lobby, I'm that nigga. So ain't no disrespect, my dogs will go get ya.
Okay, parang ano din to, no? Yung pag nag-rap si Danny Brown, parang Beastie Boy siya na mas kalmado, man. God damn!
Fuck what you had for lunch, you eat a punch, wash it down with your own blood, and you get a stump. After for dessert, make you a leaker. Bass in your face when I'm coming out the speaker. Don't you front, come around here and play me, cause you'll get jumped, man, no ifs, ands, or maybe.
Oh, what? No! God damn! God damn, dope din pala ito, man. Salamat kapatid na 4D at may bago akong sound trip, man. May bago kaming sound trip dito sa Goddamn Gang. At i-check nyo na lang Goddamn Gang, yung Joey Valens and Bray na channel, okay? Ilalagay ko yung link nila sa baba. Goddamn! Sabi ni Danny Brown, don't your butt come around here and play me. Cause you'll get jumped, man, no if, ands, or maybe. Walang duda, bro. Walang duda-duda. I'm gonna kick your ass, bro. Yun ang ibig niyo sabihin, man. Huwag kang pupunta dito para laruin o lokohin ako. Alam mo yun? Don't play with me. Ang ganda ng pagkakasulat pa niya dito. Cause you'll get jumped, man. Kukuyugin ka. No if, walang baka, no ands, or maybe. Walang baka, walang posible, walang ganon, bro. Diretso kang kukuyugin, goddamn. God damn, Danny Brown is on fire.
You to sleep like rockabye, baby. So watch your mouth, cause you don't wanna get crazy. So what you want, you gon' get what you're asking. My groove will bruise and we'll come through smashing. Time for some action, time for some action.
Medyo may pagka-Cypress Hill itong part na ito ni Danny Brown. Mga Cuba Gooding nga pala. Sa mga Cuba Gooding Junior, Jejimon Gremlins, doon muna kayo sa ibang channel, okay? Hindi nyo maiintindihan to, man. Okay? Hindi pwede ito sa mga Cuba Gooding Jejimon Gremlins, man. K-pop Gremlins. Hindi pwede, bro. Hindi nyo magigets to. Okay? Unless kung talagang mahal nyo yung kultura, aalamin nyo yung history nito. Okay? God. Okay, so it's just why.
No half step, cause my dog's never lacking.
Teka lang, sabi? God damn it, man.
Through smashing. Time for some action, time for some action. No half step, cause my dog's never lacking.
Don't you know that I pack up punch? Don't you know that I pack up punch? Don't you know that I pack up punch? Don't you know that I don't you know that I pack up punch? Don't you know that I pack up punch?
Ganda ng pagkaka-transition ng beat. God damn, mas bumigat, man.
Don't you know that I pack up punch? Don't you know that I don't.
Okay, narinig nyo naman, hindi sila masyadong seryoso sa buhay, man. Pero napakaganda ng track na to. Pack a Punch featuring Danny Brown. Congratulations to Joey Valens and Bray. I hope more followers here in the Philippines, okay? I hope you guys get discovered and get on top, man. Shout out Joey Valens and Bray, and of course Danny Brown. Thank you for sharing your music to us, okay? God damn, salamat 4D. Tropa ni 4D ito. Itong Joey Valens and Bray. God damn it. Anyway, God damn guy, comment kayo sa baba kung ano masasabi nyo sa kantang ito. At napansin nyo, bro, yung style, di ba? Parang bumalik tayo sa alaala ng Beastie Boys, Cypress Hill, LL Cool J, DJ Kumo D, KRS-One, and the rest ng old school, di ba? God damn it. At hindi maiintindihan yan ng mga Cuba Gooding, Jejimon Gremlins, in this goddamn house.